my lovies, I'm coming to you today with a review. This review is from a company called Cool Today NC. Sorry, somebody was calling my phone as soon as I started. But it's from a company called Cool Today NC. This is a review for this company and for Thomason. If you're not familiar with Thomason, Thomason is a site for influencers to go and you sign up to do reviews on all types of products, from household items, hair, beauty, electronics, all types of stuff. They have all types of things that you can try. They also have toys if you would like to do, if your children have like YouTube channels as well, or family channels. It's just an awesome site for us influencers. So yeah, they do have some items that you pay little to nothing for. Then you have your free items. You have items that you get paid to review, and different stuff like that. So yeah, and then they have items that are just totally free, and I don't know if I mentioned that already, but yeah, enough of me rambling. More about this company. They sent me I want to say about 5 things to bring to you lovies to show you all, and I'm just basically separating the videos. So this particular video is on this gray ombre wig right here, and I already took it out the packaging because I did not feel like doing all that on camera, but it looks like this, and it has, of course, your adjustable straps here and here. It has, I'm trying to see, I thought it had combs, but no, it doesn't have any combs. It does have your false scalp, your fake scalp right there, and I did pluck it a little bit more. If you don't like the shiny look, you can use like baby powder to kind of dull it down some. So yeah, I already have my stocking cap prepared and sewn down and all of that good stuff. So I'm gonna show you all how it looks on. It did come in like a plastic bag that like a plastic sleeve, and it came with the tissue paper inside, and the net was completely over it. So let me show y'all how it looks on. Okay, so try to get it together. All right. I have my brush right over here that's ready to go. And I'm gonna brush it out some. One thing about these like wigs, sometimes like it's hard to kind of like move in them because the hair will like continuously fall into your face. But this is how it looks on. That is the parting space there, if you can see it. It does tangle a little, I will say that. If you are looking for an inexpensive gray unit, then this unit is perfect, you know, for you. And I'm just trying to get it like brushed out more. As far as density wise, it is kind of like a little, it's more thinner on the top than it is at the bottom. The bottom is pretty thick, as you can see. I'm gonna turn around so you lovies can see the back if possible. So this is the back, if you all can see that. So yeah, this unit, it retails on Amazon.com for $13.29. It is heat resistant Japanese synthetic fiber. It does have, well, it says it has baby hair around the perimeters, and which I do not see. You can create your own baby hairs if you are planning on, you know, wearing this unit for a long period of time. You can do that. So yeah, this is the ombre gray unit, and like I said, the parting space looks like that. You can take some powder, foundation, or pressed powder. You can take concealer as well, and I just use a small ended like a concealer brush, and you can just dab that down the middle like so. And if you get it on your hair, you can easily wipe it away. And I just take and dab that just to make that parting space look more realistic. Like that. So yeah, that's how that parting space looks once I clean it up some. So yeah, this is the unit. I will leave all information down below in the description box if you lovies are interested. Thank you so much, Thomason and Cool Today NC, for sending me this unit to review. And like I said, if you want to dull down the shininess, you can, because it's more shiny up here than at the bottom. Just like it's thinner at the top than at the bottom. But you can dull it down with baby powder. And to make that parting space look more realistic, you can pluck it and you can add you some pressed powder. The pressed powder I kind of prefer better because it stays in place better versus concealer to me, unless you have a like a more thick consistency, longer lasting concealer, then yeah, but I do recommend the pressed powder. And this is just some Nicka K New York pressed powder that I got from my local beauty supply store, and the color that I have is Fresco MP 109. So yeah, hope you lovers enjoyed this review. Do stay tuned for another.